Hey guys, Kapper here and welcome back. This is just going to be a quick mid-project drone shot of Curtis's 8 acres that we've been working on dismantling. As you can see here, we have made a ton of progress. I'll put up a clip here in just a minute of the drone shot from December 2nd, about 20 days ago, here in just a second. But look at the two ponds. The one on the top is much murkier than that one on the bottom over here, and I suspect, my best guess is because this bottom one is just natural groundwater and rainwater, where this top one, he gets a lot of water from that creek when it floods over, which I think is what he was trying to cure out there. So there's a look at the crop fields around it, and you could see this that creek up to the left there. That's definitely probably a travel corridor for deer, I would think, but this thing is surrounded on 3 sides just about by crop fields. So let's take it down for a closer look, and I'm going to show you, kind of unbelievably, there's only actually 2 vehicles left here that I am aware of, okay, including the backhoe. That's 3, but you can see the minivan right here, and then there's a boat hidden right up in here behind this trailer. Let's take a look at the last one from 20 days ago. So here's the look from about 3 weeks ago. You could see vehicles just strewn everywhere. It's hard to believe we got rid of so many in such a short time. I mean, that big tank is gone. There's one more tank hidden back in the field where I'll kind of show you when we get to the clip. But here's from 3 weeks ago on the right, and of course like 50-ish years ago on the left. So let's get back and finish today's flyover. So let's move down a little bit closer and finish it out just above the treetops here so we could see some differences. Alright, the backhoe right there, they're still working on that. You could see there's the minivan, a close-up. There's the boat that's on the list to get removed, and then after that in the dumpsters it's going to be these mobile homes, and then it's just going to be property cleanup. That pile of metal right there is already gone, and there's the new road. I made it a little bit wider. You'll see the garage here is now gone. A couple days ago I tore that down, and that silver camper is supposed to be out of here like next weekend. So definitely stay tuned. We've made quite a bit of progress. Looking forward to keeping the project going, and then after that looking for our next one. So we'll see you on the next go around. Thanks.